Hello, assalamu alaikum my people. Once again we're in Fatim Ali's kitchen, and today we've got you a Senegalese dish called sebong. Basically it's a grilled fish with all these ingredients and rice, but you will see as soon as it's all put together. So we've got our lovely tilapia here, all nice and clean, with some marinade on it, lemon and salt. And we've got some palm oil here that is going in. We've got some prawns here. We've got garlic and some chilies. You guys know me with my chilies. We've got some netetu here. This one is called netetu, and it's called locust bean in English. And we've got some dry fish here and that snail thing there. And we've got black pepper, salt and bay leaf. We've got lemon here as well. And that onga there is a prawn one. This one is prawn onga. I bought it from the African store. We've got some peppers here, tomatoes, onions, lemon juice, mustard, and some okra. It's gonna be delicious today. You watch out, guys. So the first step I'm going to do is I'm gonna move all this here a little bit. And that there, because I'm going to make my marinade. So how do I do that? I need half of this in my blender. Now you wait here for a minute. Half of the red one, half of the green, all goes in there. Garlic goes in, and some chilies goes in that. Let me put more garlic. Right. So I am going to blend that with just a tiny bit of onion. I'm going to blend that way. Pinch of pepper will go in. And salt. Right. Right, so we've got our blended ingredients that I just blend now. So we're going to add 1 spoon of mustard and 1 spoon of lemon juice. This is going to be our marinade for the fish. I'm going to mix it all together, and then it's going on the fish. Make sure the marinade goes inside the lines in the fish so that the taste can go in once you grill it. We all know tilapia is a very lovely fish, so put the marinade inside in the head, because oh boy, if you chew that head you'll be like wow. Right, so we're going to transfer it in here on our crispy paper, and on goes the marinade all around. I'm going to drizzle a tiny bit of oil on it because I don't want the grill to stick on the tray. And in goes in the oven blended onion and peppers and chilies. I'm going to add the leftover garlic and chili and the peppers That is going to be our marinade for the onion for our sauce. And I'm going to add the locust beans as well. Netetu, that's how we call it. And then keep these for the sauce. That's going to be in the sauce. That's different. I'm putting the marinade on the diced onion that I just did. So the marinade is going on that. And all the other ingredients are going on the onion here. I'm going to add the leftover mustard in it as well. The salt and the pepper and the onga shrimps. And then we mix all that together. Right, our fish is grilling very nice and lovely, guys. But in the meantime here, we're going to be putting our onion in the pan. I can smell it nice already. Right, so let me stir that, hold that together, nice and gentle. And at this point I will add the dry fish and the snail, the yate thing. We call it seiso in Mandinka. I'm telling you, it's so nice. It gives your cooking a very lovely taste. So I'm going to leave this to fry for a tiny little bit, right? And then I'll check on the fish again. Fish is going so great. It's going lovely. We need to turn it around. There you go. Turn the fish, it's going back in the oven. And then we leave it there for a little bit more now. I'm going to stir this a little bit, mix everything together, and then leave the onion to fry for a little bit before we move on. In the meantime, I'm going to put the rice on. So come with me. I've never shown you guys how I do the rice, so this is how we do it. We wash the rice nice and clean and make sure all the starch come of it before we put it on, you know. This rice is full of starch, so we try as best as we can to get rid of most of it. Wash it again. One more wash and we're good to go. as you can see, it's not as bad as when I first started washing it. Yeah, so it looks alright now. So I've got 3 cups of rice here, but my cup is a little bit big, so I'm going to put some water on until the rice is covered, and then I'll put it in the rice cooker. I'll also show you one of these days how we cook rice on this stove. I'll show you that as well. So this is going in the rice cooker now. Goes in the rice cooker, and some salt goes in. Put the lid on, and then that will cook for 12 minutes. Stir our sauce, add our tomatoes in, and then our prawns go in as well. Stir these together a little bit. Tiny little bit of water, and we're ready with this for now. So, now waiting for the fish to grill on the other side. Then we'll show you what we will do with the fish next. And the okra goes in at this time. I'm telling you guys, when I cook this, don't tell anyone, I like to eat it with my hands because it's very nice. It's so nice. I will eat and eat and eat, and I will never have enough of it because it's very nice and healthy, you know. Lemon, mustard, prawns, fish, you know. Right, so I'm going to put the gas down now a little bit, and then wait for the rice to be cooked, the fish to be ready in the oven. Then we'll show you what we're going to do next after that, okay? I'll be back. Oops, forgot to mention our lovely bay leaves. Those goes in as well. Now we put a lid on. Okay guys, our sebong sauce is ready. Our grill is ready, and the rice is also ready. So we're coming to this out. Put that there. Look at that. Right. So look at that rice. I'm using big rice today because hubby wanted a big rice, isn't it? Hubby requested a big rice. I said, why not? So let's try and see. It will be nice. This is how we dish out because we eat as a family. So we dish it out on one big plate, and everybody take their spoon and their place on the table. But I think I'm going to use my hand with this today because, as I was saying when I started cooking, sebong is my favorite meal, and I love eating it with my hand so that I can get a good grip of the fish head and, you know, every taste in there. Let's do this one here, bring that there, and I love the fish go in there. One there. Other one here. And move that along. Jump into the sauce. So I'm sure you should have seen that okra and spinach video on one of my cookings. I've got some left today, so I didn't make a new one today. I'm sure we're going to eat that with it today. But if you haven't watched it yet, you can watch on one of my videos. I think it's the catfish video, the Kong. I think that's where it should be, or one of the videos. You'll see how I make this spinach step by step. And then this is the moment where we also put our palm oil on. There we go. That's our sebong today. And I'll put the link of. Whoa, the house is on fire, guys. There's some fireworks outside. I'll put the link of that video about this green ketchup, the okra and the spinach. There you go, guys. Oh, look at that. Now that's all that we've got for you today in Fatim Ali's kitchen. Make sure if you like our video today, put your thumbs up on the right or left corner of the screen somewhere, and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Until we come your way again soon. Bye. Take care.